Dito kami sa Guilford. Hey, hi! Hi sa my vlog. Mag-swimming kami today. Medyo malang. Ay, ang daming tao pala, oh. Dami palang tao, oh. James! Saan kaya pupunta, oh? Go inside. Welcome. Where are you? We're here in the Guilford. Fitness Center Plus 4.
Yeah, this way. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ay, oo nakalagay, oh.
Together with my 6 months old baby. He will swim too. Change room. Change room. Let's find locker to
Oh, yun na ba sa pinatay?
right here. Go and swim, 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 swim. Yeah, swim, swim, swim. First, magbasa ka muna dyan. Wow, it's so big. It's so big over there.